When livestock pass away on your property, prompt and responsible removal is essential. Serving the entire state of New Jersey, our team provides same-day, 24-hour dead animal removal, handling cows, horses, sheep, and more. After removal, we fully sanitize, disinfect, and deodorize the area, leaving behind a refreshing eucalyptus scent. We follow all state regulations to protect your health and the environment. For your free estimate, call us today. Northern New Jersey, 862-658-2086 for Central Jersey, and the Jersey Shore call, 732-600-1974. Since 1995, our motto has remained the same, where you're treated like family.